Hi guys, it's Morgan Ann and I'm back with another video. This time it's what's on my iPhone XS Max 2020. And today I'll be showing you guys what's on my iPhone for the year 2020. I did this video a year ago, so definitely check that out. I'll have that linked in the description down below. But basically I'm going to show you guys what's on my iPhone, how I keep it organized, and you know, the good stuff. Hopefully. Also, if you haven't seen this face before, hey, what's up, home skillet of biscuit? My name's Morgan, and you should totally subscribe to be part of this fam bam. Also, follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat at IamSimplyMorgan. Tell your girl what's up and what's happening. And let's get started with a video. Alright guys, so we're starting it off. I'm giving you guys a screenshot right now of my my lock screen. It's real cute. It's real fashion forward. So we have Princess Mia on here because you know she's an inspiration. You know, princess becomes queen, don't need a man to become queen. Slay, slay, slay. I really love it. I got it from Pinterest, but I will have it linked in the description down below if you guys want this lock screen. I keep freaking you this freaking lock screen. Alright, so we're on my first page right now on my phone, and I, you know, have a calendar on there, and then I have utilities, which has like a few things in it, but the only thing that I use from utilities is Yahoo Weather and my calculator. I don't use Apple Weather because it just doesn't work on my phone. I don't know why, it just doesn't. And I also use my calculator, you know, just to calculate, but most of the times I usually just calculate, you know, in my head. I'm nerdy and like I'm like a human calculator, you know, like I can divide time stuff in my head very quickly. It's weird, don't judge me. And then I have my maps. I use my notes, which I'll write in there. Like my hashtag groups are all in my notes. How I'm feeling, if I feel like writing that day, I put it in my notes, which is why I'm not going to show you that because y'all might look at me a little crazy if I show you what I write. Then we have the app store, my alarm, a clock. I literally have it, I think I have it set for 7:20 right now. If I'm not doing anything, I usually wake up. Honestly, I wake up at 7:20 every day. And then here's my YouTube. I'm not going to click my YouTube studio because you'll see all my little information. And then I have YouTube, which I watch on my phone, or I'll sync my phone to my TV, which is also right here. And it's currently loading. I have no idea who that is. Never seen them. I don't know who that is. I do know who RuPaul is, and queens everywhere. I love RuPaul's Drag Race, and I love the queens on that show. I don't know why I'm talking like that. That's so weird. Anyways, so that, and then I have a Google Calendar that I use. Like I put in all my information. I decided this year I'm not going to use a planner. I'm going to use Google Calendar as my planner. I feel like this works much better for me. I've been using it since about last year, like 2 months ago. Last year. So like I've been using it since like November, and honestly it's helped me so much. Using my planner stresses me out. I've actually ripped up my planner before because it stressed me so bad out. I was just like, I'm not having it. And then I chucked it in the trash. Emails. I know you're looking at me like I've never seen 72,000. But it is what it is. I actually have no comment on that. I actually don't even know what to say to that. Yeah, that's it. I got 2 emails. That's between 2 emails. I have no comment. Then I got my phone calls, which a lot of the 110 is because I don't answer voicemails. That's it. That's it. I think that's it. And then I have text messages, and then I also have Safari, you know, to search the web, search the World Wide Web. So now we're on the next page. Scooter boop to the next page. This is where we get a little exciting, get a little, you know, a little inside scoop on what's going on in Morgan's life. So let's go to my social, which has a little gold heart. Don't know why, because social media is stressful too. So I have Instagram, which you guys should totally follow me at IamSimplyMorgan. And basically, yeah, I just got stories on here. I've got stuff. So you should definitely just, you know, follow, click a little say hey, what's up. I actually post every day on my stories, and I've been posting more content on my Instagram, and honestly, like, I'm here for it right now. Like, definitely here for it. My Wi-Fi, however, is slow, so it's not allowing you to see the essence. See, there we go. There we go. Come on. Like, look at, like, just look at my IG. My New Year's IG. Like, who is she? Who is she? But, yes. Cute. What? Tongue out. What? Okay. Why am I hyping myself up? I don't know. But, yes, definitely check out my Instagram. I also have Snapchat, so check me out there. I haven't been posting a lot on my IamSimplyMorgan Snapchat, but I'm going to for 2020. I use Twitter every day. I don't tweet every day, but I use it every day. I don't know, Twitter is very entertaining. I actually really enjoy Twitter. It is interesting. It is interesting, to say the least. What did they do to their dog? I'm confused. But anyways, Twitter is very interesting. Pinterest is my ish. I love Pinterest. If you want inspiration, go to Pinterest. Like, that's the go-to. But I have so many boards. I have such cute boards. Where I get my Instagram captions from? Pinterest. Where do I get inspiration for hairstyles or makeup? Pinterest. Where do I get inspiration for poses? Pinterest. Pinterest is everything. I get inspiration from Pinterest like it's nobody's business. Like makeup, thrifting, clothing, hairstyles, photography ideas, DIYs, quotes, you know, trusting God, having God quotes, you know, all the good stuff. All the good stuff. Yes, 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 and yes. Then girl has Disney Plus. Right now I've been watching a lot of Kim Possible. That is my ish. I wish they would reboot Kim Possible, the animated version. I don't want the live action one. Don't give me that. Give me the animated version, because technically we can get a college version of Kim and Ron since it's like animated. So I'm totally down for that. Anybody else down for like a Kim Possible and Ron Stoppable college on Disney Plus because they're doing Lizzie McGuire? Like, I feel that coming, and if they do that, like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself because I love Kim Possible so much. I moved to my other camera. Yes, I'm sorry. My camera died and I don't feel like waiting for it to start back up. So then we have Facebook. Facebook. Netflix. True Fusion. I go and work out at True Fusion Scottsdale. A great workout, fitness, gym. Amazing. Love it, live for it. Hot yoga is everything to me. So yeah. And then I have Triller, Heartbeat, GroupMe. A lot of this stuff I don't use. Hinge, Bumble, you know, your girls out here trying to find Mr. Right or somebody. Somebody, anybody. 2020 struggle bus. I don't know. Dating as an adult is so hard. It is literally so hard. Anyways, and then I also have my app, IamSimplyMorgan, that is no longer available at the Apple Store. I just keep it there to look at the fact that I had created my own app a couple years ago. So then I have photos. Well, for my camera section or my camera folder, I have photos, like just, you know, pictures, my favorites, stuff I want to put in Lightroom, yada yada. You know, just the works. Then I have Afterlight. I used to use that a lot for my Instagram pictures between like 2016 to 2017. And then I have Visco, which I haven't used since like 2017, 2018. So then I have my camera, you know, to take the pictures. And then I also have Facetune. You know, it's there. Facetune is Facetune. I have this app called Snow. It's actually really cool, and sometimes I like to go through my Instagram with it and stuff. So I'm just gonna take this picture And I'm going to add a sticker onto it, which is usually like something fun. And I always like grabbing like something from film, and it like I put a date on it and it looks like a, you know, a disposable camera took it. I don't know, I just find it so cute. Actually, excuse my hungry butt, but I actually might post that on my story just because it looks cute. But yeah, no, I really love that app, and I use that app for my stories. Lightroom I use for my photos. I have Lightroom on my laptop, so I actually pay for the Adobe plan for Lightroom and Photoshop, and I think it's called XD Design or Design XD. So I pay for those and I use those on my laptop. And then InShot, haven't used it in a bit. Kira Plus, which is so interesting because like now there's like filters on Instagram, so you don't have to buy it, but I bought it like a long time ago when it was first like really popular. Adobe Draw used before to make like animated like pictures from like my real life pictures, so I can have like the little cartoons. So I use that in Erase. Unfold I like Unfold, and I use Unfold for my Insta story as well as Jane. And then I use Boomerang, and then all the other stuff I don't use. Like I have not used any of this other stuff besides or or something like that. That one is a little wishy-washy because sometimes when I log on to it, it doesn't work. And then sometimes it does work, and it allows me to like add photos so I can see how my feed would look. So it's like a really nice app, but it sometimes works and then sometimes doesn't. Well, at least for me, I have that struggle. I have Facetune, and then I have music, which I have Apple Music, I have podcasts, I have TV, and then I have the iTunes Store. Then I have games on my phone. I play Episode when I'm bored. I like playing Episode. It's very entertaining. There's another game that's just like Episode called Choices, and I like playing that one as well. I have not played Flappy Bird and I don't know how long, so it's just sitting there. I used to play Game of Life when I lived in New York all the time, sorry. And then, yeah, I don't know what that is. The rest of the stuff I haven't really used since like maybe 2017. Heads Up, I haven't played that since last year. So it's fun. Like when you have a group of people and y'all don't know what to do, play Heads Up. It's so much fun. Then I have travel stuff, which has like Lyft, US Airways, Euros to Dollars, American, and Lime the scooter. Then I have shopping, so I have like Amazon, Ulta Beauty, Groupon. I literally use all of these. Evite, or Invite, Evite, I think it's Evite. Evite, Starbucks, Target, McDonald's. I use the McDonald's app a lot. You can get some really good deals. And then I also use Starbucks and Kohl's, Cash App, that kind of stuff, and all the regular stuff, or the simple stuff. Ulta Beauty, your girl is a platinum member as of 2020. And then my finances, so it just has like my bank and stuff like that, which I'm not gonna click on. And then things that my mom's downloaded that has hit my phone. I just downloaded Facebook Messenger, and then I re-downloaded TikTok. I took TikTok off my phone maybe about like a month ago, two months ago, yeah. So I haven't used TikTok in a minute, and I just re-downloaded it. So if you want to follow me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok. I probably should post more videos because I only posted 2, but this one's a good one. Yes, and literally that's it. I only have 2 pages on my phone because it's super organized, and I like it that way. I am not OCD, so don't look at me and go, girl, you're OCD. No, not OCD, not at all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to be a part of this. And bam, bam. And also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at IamSimplyMorgan. Tell your girl what's up and on what's happening. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Skillets are biscuit. She's a brick house. Hmm.